Hello and welcome to Surviving What's Coming. Today we're discussing a critical topic that affects us all: emergency preparedness. Emergencies can happen at any time, and it's essential to be prepared for them. In this video, we'll guide you through the steps to create a comprehensive emergency plan. Step 1. Identify potential emergencies. The first step in creating an emergency plan is to identify the potential emergencies that could occur in your area. This could include natural disasters such as earthquakes, hurricanes, and tornadoes, as well as severe weather and power outages. Knowing the types of emergencies you may face will help you tailor your emergency plan accordingly. Step 2. Next, gather important information such as phone numbers, emergency contact information, medical information, and any other important details that you might need in an emergency. Write this information down and keep it in a safe, accessible place. Step 3. Plan for evacuation. It's important to have a plan for evacuation in case you need to leave your home quickly. Identify multiple escape routes from your home, workplace, and other places you frequent. Choose a meeting place where everyone can gather if you become separated. This will ensure that you have a clear plan of action in case of an emergency. Step 4. Develop a communication plan. Having a solid communication plan is critical in an emergency situation. Decide on a method of communication with your family members, such as a designated phone call or text message. This way, you'll be able to stay in touch and ensure everyone's safety. Step 5. Prepare a disaster supply kit. Assemble a disaster supply kit that includes non-perishable food, water, a flashlight, first aid kit, and other essentials. Having these supplies on hand can make a big difference in an emergency situation. Step 6. Regularly review and practice your emergency plan with your family and loved ones to ensure everyone knows what to do in an emergency. Step 7. Finally, it's important to update your emergency plan as needed, taking into account any changes in your life or circumstances. This will help you to stay prepared and ready for any emergency situation. Being prepared for an emergency can greatly increase your chances of staying safe and calm in a crisis situation. By following these steps, you'll be equipped to face any emergency with confidence. Thanks for watching, and remember, with Surviving What's Coming, you're always prepared. Subscribe to our channel to learn more.